Open the cardboard box. Display the accessories inside the box. Toolkit. Remove the straps. Insert the key into the ignition. Remove the hand packaging straps. Loosen the stem screws for installation. Install the brake and throttle onto the handlebar first.
绑你的handle板。
Place the stem cover on and tighten the screws. Tighten the screws at the bottom of the stem. Adjust the throttle position and secure it. Install the instrument panel. Connect the instrument panel wires. Untie the straps. Install the front fender. Remove the front axle. Hub spacers. Fit the small spacer before the large one. Tighten with a wrench. Front brake caliper. Loosen the screws and install the caliper. Secure the brake cable. Attach the front panel bracket to the panel. Install the front light. Install the panel cover. Secure mount the front light to the top of the panel. Install the rear shock absorber. Remove the pedal screws. Install the pedals. Install the handlebar padding. Remove the battery and install the side